Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the noise. Find or record a 1 to 3 second clip that contains only the background hiss or hum. Once done, duplicate the audio clip on a new track so you have an untouched original to fall back on. Next, open the audio track mixer and the effects rack in Premiere Pro so you can apply and chain the required tools. This immediate setup minimizes risk and speeds the rest of the cleanup. Now apply a targeted chain. First tag dialogue as dialogue in essential sound, or add the denoise effect and dial a light reduction. You want clarity, not tunnel hearing. Then insert a parametric equalizer to notch low hum at 50 or 60 Hz and tighten narrow spectral peaks. This reduces tonal rumble. Finally, use adaptive noise reduction if the noise shifts over time because it analyzes and subtracts changing noise. Make incremental adjustments and bypass frequently to compare. Finish by refining levels. Run match loudness or adjust gain and dynamics processing so the cleaned audio sits naturally with your mix. Render short sections and a /B compare against the original to verify you haven't removed detail. If you hear artifacts or a swishy effect, dial back the noise reduction amount, tighten EQ choices, or switch to manual spectral editing tools. If necessary, export and run iZotope RX or similar for surgical repair. This saves time and preserves voice quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.